Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will see if your GoPro is not getting started, or if you plug in the cable then also it's not getting charged. You are not able to see the red light or the LED which is shown here while the charging is going on. So what's the problem? So there are two cases. So first thing is your battery is completely drained. It's completely drained and that's why it's not even able to blow this red LED. And second thing is there is some problem with your camera. So how to verify that? Let me show you this. Very first thing, we should make sure that the camera is not getting started. Okay, now this is the case that camera is not getting started. Now battery is there, right, and even the SD card is there. And as you saw, let me plug in this. The LED is not getting blown, right? Now what we are supposed to do? First thing, we should make sure our camera is good. So how to do that? I'll remove this, unplug this cable, and I'll remove the battery. You're supposed to do the same. I'll remove the SD card, make it completely naked, there is nothing, and we'll just plug this cable back into the socket. Okay, this GoPro does not have battery for now, time being, and then you're supposed to try to switch on the camera. It works, right? It works. So if this is getting started, that means your camera is working fine. There is a problem with your battery, and the only problem is that your battery is completely drained. That's one of the possibility. Now what we will do is we'll switch this camera off, long press and 7 beeps, and it is powered off. We will unplug this cable. We will place this back into the respective sockets. This is the SD card. Yeah, and this is the battery. Okay, and after that you're supposed to plug in this cable. Wait for 30 minutes. So it will take at least 30 to 35 minutes to get the LED started. So we will wait for 30 minutes and then we will check what's the status of this LED. So you can see the current timing is 1:48 p.m. and we'll see after half an hour maybe to check whether the LED is started or not. And then there is one more step before switching on the camera. We'll see it afterwards. Alright, so you can see the time is 3:08 p.m. and this red LED is being blown. I was away for some time, that's why I could not test or check after 30 minutes. Both of these LEDs are now being blown. Now what we are supposed to do, we are just supposed to click once this power button. Yes, it started. So if by pressing once this button, if your camera is not getting started, what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to press and hold this button for minimum 15 seconds. In my case, this time the camera was started within just one click. If it doesn't start, you're supposed to long press this button for 15 seconds minimum, and then after releasing the button the camera will be started. Just let me know which method worked for you. Thanks for watching the video.